back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you my fragrance collection, that is perfumes and mists. So most of them are from Bath and Body Works only, so let's get started. So the first one is this Nike Woman Deodorant. It is strong, so this will be perfect during night times for dinner and parties. So the next one is this Secret Temptation perfume. This is how it looks. This is Aqua. So let's see how this smells. It smells strong. So this will also be perfect during night. So the next one is this 21 Woman perfume. So this was gifted for me last year for my birthday from my best friend. So this was really nice. I've worn it like many times and it smells like really nice. This is not even strong, it's medium. It's really nice. This will be perfect during the day and as well as night. Next perfume is from the brand called You Are Lovely. This is how it looks. It smells really good. Like every day I wear it in the morning. It's really nice. It's like flowers. You're in some flower land. This smells like that. It's really nice. I love it. It's like yum types. This is floral and it's really nice. I wear it every day, like every day. And this is really inexpensive actually. I don't remember the price, but I bought this from Nykaa. So I was just searching for some perfumes and this was like highly rated perfume. So the next perfume is actually not mine, but I love the perfume. It's from Ferrari. So I love to wear this while I'm going out for parties because it lasts really long and it smells strong also. That's the reason I love it. So the next perfumes are all from Bath and Body Works only. So the first one is, this is one of my most favorite one, and as you can see I've used it this much. It's chestnut and argan, and it also has sandalwood and musk. It's really nice. It smells like heaven. It's really nice. It's actually a mist and it's really mild and it's perfect during the day. So the next one is also from Bath and Body Works. It's called Beautiful Day. This is how it looks. It's called Beautiful Day. It definitely smells like floral and like during the day. So the next one is this Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is how it looks. So let's smell this. I can't explain how this smells actually. This smells a bit like cherry, but something else also I can smell in this. I don't know what, but it definitely smells like cherry and it's really nice. So this also goes perfect during the day. So guys, I don't know the prices of the perfumes, so if I get any links I'm going to put it in the description box, but I can tell you this one. So this one was priced at 200 rupees. And this one I really don't know because it was a gift, and this was priced at around 3000 or 4 or something like that. I really don't know, so I'll just check. And all the Bath and Body Works perfumes were priced at 1300 rupees. And this is really inexpensive. I guess it was like 150 or 250 or something like that in Nykaa. I bought it in Nykaa only. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. So the next one is called Pink Cashmere, also from Bath and Body Works. This was not bought from Nykaa. This was from US. So this smells really nice. It's like pinkish. So this was also bought from US. So it says here it's $14. So the last perfume is this Into the Night, which I bought it from Nykaa. I've heard a lot about this perfume, and actually I've heard a lot about this range only. The fragrance, the perfume, the shower gel and the body lotion. It's really nice. Actually I love the smell of this perfume. This is really nice. This is something like nighttime when you go for the parties. It smells like that actually. I can't exactly explain how it smells, but it's really nice perfume. You should definitely try it. It's available in Nykaa, so you can order it. So I definitely recommend this one and the chestnut argan and this uh, Are You Lovely. This is also really nice. So these are my favorite perfumes. So I have two more perfumes here. These are like mini versions. You know, these bottles are really long and I can't carry it in my bags or small purses. So these goes really well. So the first one is called In the Stars. This is how it looks and it smells really nice. So the next perfume is Warm Vanilla Sugar. This is how it looks. So this obviously smells like vanilla. So the next perfume, and this is the last perfume, and this is one of my favorite. Actually the whole range is my favorite. It's called 1,000 Wishes and this is how it looks. So I've got it in the mini version so that I can carry it everywhere. It was in my gym bag actually, so I went and got it because I totally forgot about this. So this is like perfect, like every time perfume, like anytime you can wear it. This is that perfume. It's really nice. It's even this range is Shah Gel is really nice. So I'm already using the Shah Gel actually. It's really nice. So these mini versions were priced at 700 rupees. All the three are like 700 like 700 each. So that was my mini fragrance haul. I hope you all loved it. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.